Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. I want us to work on the process, the settings bit. I don't know how far you are. You reached with Bluetooth before.
On which one?
On the workflow settings.
Workflow setting. I can explain. I think I can explain.
Yeah, I'd just like you to take me through the part that you are done so that we see how we are going to integrate that with Teams so that we can complete the settings bit.
I have sampled. I've sampled data about that.
Your voice is slow.
I have sample paid for creating the program they open. You know.
Yes, I can hear you.
So let me open it. You know.
Yeah.
Will we start or this going program?
Just go ahead and share a screen if you are sharing so that you can explain that to me.
Just a moment. We have to start the hack or put on the work.
Can you share?
I will share. I will share. Okay.
What was happening then?
Okay. So, what we was doing the those information will come from the protein.
Mm-hmm.
So you will send the company ID, owner name or the owner name.
Mm-hmm.
Send it and we will send it and those process of so the process we have multiple versions. I provided you will provide the process version. Those information those are the radio posts. those are the magic access keys. Yeah.
Your voice is breaking. Can you just try and be audible?
Let me join a people you know,
Now it's clear. Can you just speak like that?
okay. So you will in the our internet portfolio technical process. So you will send those information across as a payload or a list of payloads, and then we will save at the backend and send it.
These IDs are unique, are UUIDs, right?
Which I those
The ones on the items and the ones on the process like that.
Those are the I think those are the check boxes. I mean radio button IDs. He provided like the ID for radio button, and then so each radio button have their own unique ID. I think those are the IDs on the front end, not our ID on the front end.
So the IDs are generated from the front end, not on the back end.
Those are generated on the front end, not on the back end.
Okay.
This is the ID of the view, I think the view button, view radio. If we select this, if it is true, and the ID of the view will be this. This ID is on the front end, not our on the back.
It's okay.
Yeah. This is how we have created the workflow.
So this is just the process. So
yeah.
I want you to open this link.
Which one?
Yeah, just give me a minute, I copy it. Check the chat. Not your personal chat, but the call chat, Discord chat.
Yeah.
Now, what particular time were they using that API?
So, for example, let's open it. For example, we are on the view, right? On this on the process, right, of the column ID and those IDs. For example, we have view. For example, I think he created separate ID for each column. So each column has separate ID, and I think we are here. We are here for now. I think yeah. So when we are clicking view has our radio button, and then Yeah. So this you will have its own this is its own ID, and this ID if you are selecting it for option, and this own ID, and this is question I think label for for question. Yeah. Question.
Mhm.
So each column will have each column have their own ID instead of name. You get the ID instead of name.
Mhm.
So we will get their we will get the column ID with the column with ID. Then things like that. I think I don't know how he have done it, but I think probably the guys will understand how to give them ID for the each item. So that sending the process with ID is only that sending the process with ID.
That implementation is fair enough, but the issue with that is we cannot know. We really do not know what options the user set for the if at all you want to manipulate that in the backend, because for enabling that selection on the front end, that's okay, but how will we know that the user set this particular rights? That's where the issue comes in. So I would want us to really check that so that we look for a way how we are going to store this information without the current implementation that is there for the IDs. Because we're using the IDs, we can never know that this now, okay, these are the rights. The user select has set these particular rights for the process, these particular portfolios, this particular roles. It's not very descriptive and clear. So,
Did it provide
yes,
did it provide any documentation?
what?
Is there no documentation on how we will identify them?
The documentation is not there. The documentation is not there. You have to think on how this information you are going to store it, as like how you are going to store it in a way that it will enable you to manipulate it when it is required.
Okay.
So, for example, you see the rights. We can have a field for the rights that takes in maybe I don't know, an array of rights. So it will have a field, a view, use, add, depending on what the user picked for that particular setting. Then when that data is loaded on the front end, they just check if view is in the list, then they set it as checked. If use something like that.
Hello.
Yeah.
Let me explain. I think you are also confused. Let me explain.
Okay.
Mulu, you can stop. Let me know if you see.
Yeah.
So I logged in. Okay, these are the options. So we are not doing anything here. Okay, just the options that we have. I mean, we have an option to choose all these things. Okay, this is just an documentation type of thing. Okay, this is nothing. Just leave this one. This is not important. There's the hard coded values. Okay, next comes to this part. Okay, to come to this part, assign role and rights and keep the process in the workflow AI, we should be going first to the last step here, this one. Okay, so you see, these steps are enable and disable process in the workflow AI. Okay, now we can you can even imagine of this. Okay, document. I am selecting a document. Okay, and then I am clicking save to draft, QR code generator. So see, whatever I am clicking here, that will come here. You see where is the document? You see this one. Okay. If I have selected QR code, see, if I have selected only save to draft, means save to draft will come here. Other than that, that other part, other 1, 2, 3, 4 won't come. These 1, 2, 3, 4 won't come. Okay. Whatever I am selecting here, that should be displaying at the top. Okay. Similarly, for the template also same thing, workflow also same thing. Okay. This part also everywhere. This is the setting. Okay. Whatever I want in my workflow software, in my organization, or in my account. That's this is the okay for process document set this thing in template, all these things. Whatever I need here, here I have to choose from here first, and then go back here and I can see the options. Okay, if I have chosen something here, save to draft, that means I can choose here save. I can see save to drafts. Other option I cannot see because I am not selected here. This is I think clear to you, right? Edwin?
It is.
No. Now you can imagine of these two. This I'll explain this part, right? And then I'll go for the next one. We have list of portfolios. Okay. Every portfolio will have it. Okay. And then I want this portfolio whenever he comes, I want to give him like a client. He is a client for me. Okay. And what rights he has. Okay. So what right he has, that means okay. Now there is one more thing here. I will tell you. Let it open up, please. These these rights we are selecting in client admin, right? These are the rights we are selecting in the client admin. Now I come management portfolio. Okay, I come and I have rights here. Let assume okay, view rights here. Okay, so you see the order here, right? View, add, edit, delete, and anything. Okay, so I'll purchase this one. That's better. So now, Manish, I am coming. I have the person whose ever organization is this. Here he has given me view rights. Okay. Then if I have got view right, I can only I these options won't be visible to me. I mean, for this particular portfolio, only this version is visible. Even though here in the view there is the view. Somewhere the view is not there. These are hard coded. Okay. So see, if I am clicking portfolio one, and then if I have what a view will come here, only view rights will come. Why? Because I have view rights here in the client entry. Okay, based on the rows that we are getting from the client entry, that will be there. Okay, imagine here that now what will come? You are coming. Okay, and now you have career side. Okay, in the client admin. These I'm talking about client admin. Okay, you don't confused. These I'm talking about client admin. So now here, if you have added it, then you can use add, make a copy, edit. Okay, till this you will have the rights. Okay, other part you won't have rights. Okay, no, anyway, okay, fine, that's all. And then when you have delete, then you will have all these options. Okay, and then when you have admin right, then you have all the access. I mean, in the drop down it will be visible. Here also I can change this. See, even if this guy, okay, you are coming, you have an added rate. don't want to give you edited rights. I want just to give you view rights. Okay. So I will give you view rights, but these options are also available for me in your case. Okay. For my case, this option won't be available for me. Only view rights should be available. Okay. Then portfolio and roles. Portfolio teams and roles. Okay. Is it there? Portfolio teams. Yeah. See, select set as a client, set a project. Whatever that is selecting, whatever the person is selecting, it will be visible here. Now, see, I can give, okay, if portfolio one is coming, I can give a client view rights. So whenever he logs into that particular account within that particular portfolio, he can only have the view rights. He can see everything, but he cannot do anything. Okay. Use means he can do some part. Add means he can add it to the workflow, add a workflow, document, template like that. Okay. Make a copy. All these things they can. Okay. Ownership and all. I think this is even this I don't understand. We can go. We can at least first complete this part. Then we can go to next part. Okay. Next.
Our issue was not implementation, how it is going to be leveraged on the front end. Our issue was on how we are going to store this data on the back end, because the other implementation that we had, they were just giving some unique random IDs that you cannot know what was really had been set. So our issue was how we are going to structure this data and store it in a way in which when the time comes that we want to manipulate it, it becomes easier for both us and the front end people.
Yes, yes. So regarding that IDs, okay, Muller can confirm when Bhutu was working this, Bhutu had given the requirement of this ID, but I was telling Mulu that don't go with the ID. Do you remember Mulu?
No, I haven't used the ID. The ID is only for him.
Yes.
For
so that's what I was always no, that he was using. I know, but I was always telling him